Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click subscribe for you to receive updates about Jazz Tech videos. Hit like below and share this video to your friends and family. If you don't, this terrifying creature will knock on your door tonight. Alexa is an artificial intelligence (AI) service powered by Amazon's vast cloud computing infrastructure. It was unveiled to the world in late 2014 when Amazon introduced the Echo smart speaker through an invitation-only offering to Prime subscribers, and it rolled out to the general public in the US the following year. Alexa and Echo are currently available in over 40 countries worldwide, with Brazil being the most recent addition in late 2018. As of early 2019, Amazon reported over 100 million Alexa-enabled smart devices in use around the world, from first-party Echo speakers to third-party devices. To see how you can set up the Echo Show 5 in Alexa app, let's watch this video.
Hello guys, welcome to Jazz Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up the Echo Show 5 from Amazon. And as you can see, I just powered it up. There is a power cord, and this is the camera of Echo Show 5. I can just turn it on by doing this, or I can just turn it off by doing this. There is the volume buttons. This is the one that you can use to minimize the sound from this device, or you can maximize it by pressing this button. And this is a button which you can disconnect the Wi-Fi. If you're going to press this, it will disconnect it from the Wi-Fi, and to turn back the Wi-Fi connection to this device, you need to click it again. And there is a speaker below, and it seems like it's still powering up. Let's wait for this one. The good thing about this device, you can also let your children watch or play on this one, because whatever you're going to ask to this Echo device, it will respond appropriately. This is the first time setup of Amazon Echo device, or Echo Show 5. And okay, here it is. Now we need to select language. Unfortunately, we don't have an option to select a Filipino language to this device.
To get started, please select your device language.
Okay,
to hear the languages spoken out loud, swipe right or left anywhere.
Okay.
Para empezar, selecciona el idioma de tu dispositivo. Para escuchar,
These are the options. So these are the languages that we can select, but again, there is no Filipino language, and we just need to click this one, the English United States.
Hello. Ready for setup. Would you like to turn on vision accessibility features? Swipe
Okay.
right or left to hear the options.
Let's wait for it. Okay, I'm going to select it
Hello.
again.
Ready for setup. Would you like to turn on vision accessibility features? Swipe right or left to hear the options.
Let's continue setting it up. This is the vision accessibility here, but we can just follow this process. Screen magnifier, so it will allow you to enlarge items on the screen. I like to do it. Enable voice reader, and let's keep it for now. Okay, in this page, you are routed to connect with your Wi-Fi connection, and I prefer to connect it to my 5G Wi-Fi network. Let's put the password on it. Okay, I just put my password in. Now it's trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. Of course, you need to put your credentials from with your Amazon account, Before you set up this device, take note that you need to create an account first from Amazon. And since I already have an Amazon account, I just need to log in or sign in. Okay, so there it is, sign in. Now I'm going to sign in. Hold on. Okay guys, as you can see, I just put my credentials right there and it will send me a code for security purposes. So I am now putting the code here that was texted to me, 069379. Here we go. Okay, now it's trying to load all the information from my Amazon account in order for it to work. Let's wait for this one. And after that, you will be able to see this page, welcome, blah blah blah. So you just need to continue. Now let's wait for it to load. Okay, now you will be routed to this page. First things first, Alexa is designed to protect our privacy. Now let's just say continue. Of course, my time zone is Asia. Just click continue. We have to put our address here, the street address, the city, and so on. So I just need to fill it out. Hold on. I just filled out that form earlier. Now we have to continue. Of course, we are living in the Philippines. Change the passcode. Just ignore that one. Okay, these are my devices and groups. So I just need to go with living room. Duplicate group. A group with this name already exists. So do you want to add Echo Show 5 to your living? Yes, let's add it. Let's add this Echo Show to that group. Okay, your clock and photo display can always be updated in the settings, so you can upload your photos to display them on this Echo Show. And I agree with that one, and I like to do it as well, so I just hit it. Let's continue. Now it's updating. Let's wait for it. The good thing about this device, guys, is you can command your appliances which are using Alexa devices as well. And let's wait for it. Okay, seems like we successfully did it, but we're going to check the settings, to make sure that it's updated, because of course once you install a new device, we must ensure that the firmware is running correctly. So we need to install any updates in order for the device to function well. Now it's in progress. Let's give it time. Like, we successfully updated the firmware of the Amazon Echo Show and it's ready. So we will try to command the Echo Show if it's responding well, and also to my appliances that is connected to the Amazon. Let's give it a try. Alexa, maximum volume. Okay, as you can see, it's responding well. Alexa, turn off room. Okay. Okay, it's responding well. Alexa, turn on room.
Okay.
Okay, at this time we're going to test our Alexa device for it to make sure that it's working with the other devices that I have. So let's try to command it. Maybe Alexa, turn on stand fan.
Okay.
Okay. It turned on the fan that we have here, which is connected to Amazon as well. Let's try the other. Alexa, turn on electric fan.
Okay.
Okay, this is a good thing because you can just command this device, then it will work with the other devices, so you can control all the appliances in your house. That's it.
There will be a lot of videos in the future. Don't forget to click subscribe to receive updates for the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching Jazz Tech. Have a great day or good night.